So after a night of playing with this, ever since I replaced the motor for the tape decks... Whoops, there's no tape in there. I thought I left it in there. It seems to be working without issues. Before, I had thought it may have been a defective motor or something happened to it down the line and the motor became unusable for whatever reason. So now it actually plays, because before I couldn't even play the length of a song without it just randomly stopping. So now I can actually enjoy the tape deck. And this is a recording that I did with the stereo. And as you can see, it plays back just fine now. No random stopping. So now, I'm not sure if you can hear wind on the video. If you do, sorry, I'm next to a window that's wide open and the breeze is coming right in. And no, it's not a direct line input because I'm using my phone. It doesn't have anything like that on it. But you get the idea. So my idea to randomly replace the motor, just in case that was the issue, paid off. Alright, this is probably the last video I'll do of this stereo, because I've got several videos of it already on my channel. So it's a success and it's good for future use. Later.